So remember, you only need to work around one area. Just freeze you out, let those arms come to the floor, soften the knees, and from there, all the way up, take your right hand, place it into a salute, lift, feel that stretch. Amazing how it helps, just release you out very gently. And the other side, so this is a lift from the waist, reach it down and back. And you're still in control of the amount of pressure that you put on when you're using the wall, just as much as when you're using the floor. Okay, back to the top of your mat, and from here, I want you to come into your roll down, vertebra by vertebra, and start to walk forwards along the mat into your plank position. How does that feel? Hopefully we should feel stronger as well. Come back to standing. Everything's working as it should be working. As soon as you have tension or hot spots anywhere, it has a trigger throughout the body, especially if it's painful. So all the way down. That's why we shouldn't work on any, especially injuries. Need to be sorted straight away. So it does have that chain reaction. Should we do one more after this? All the way up. Get that release. Let's do one more. All the way down. Soften those knees. Walking forwards. Spreading out through the fingers, and from here, just gently pushing through the heels. A little bit of foot paddling. 2 more. And from there, release.